In this video, we're going to look at a startup procedure for JWEI's JWCAM software. So I need to locate the software on my desktop, double click on the icon. That will then open up the software. Once open, you'll see that our arrow keys on the right hand side and our functions are all greyed out, and that's because we need to reset our table. So I'm going to click reset. That will then move the head to the front of the table to the 0 position. It's also going to turn the tools and it's going to check the up and down position. Once it's reset, you can see that our arrow keys go back to green, and we can also press them. We can move the head around the table. Once we have got that sorted, we then need to run through our tool depth procedure, check our vacuum zones, and we'll be ready to cut. So that's how we start up JWEI's JWCAM software.